What's up guys, RETROCENGO here, back with another Jurassic Park pinball video. This video is a Jurassic Park has got a Raptor upgrade video. But before we started, I just want to say thank you to all you guys that did write to me about the Jurassic Park Pro versus Premium. 98% of you were like, Pro is all you need. And some of you guys did write to me that you ordered a Pro version after you watched my video. How cool is that? Guys, Stern will deliver and Stern will build you a perfect Pro. There's just nothing that can break down on this one. It's so beautiful. I know on Pinside people says that the dyno head breaks down. I'm not sure about that. My Premium did not break down, but on, Pinside they say disable that head. So I don't know about that. But you will love your Pro version. Buy it and use the rest of the money to get a Godzilla Pro also. I mean, I love these Stern machines. I can't recommend it enough. They're just awesome. So what did I do since the last video a couple of days ago? Well, let's take a closer look. Okay, guys. As you can see, premium rubber. We need beautiful rubber down here because this game comes with black rubber. As you can see, red here, white on the slingshots, and the black rubber will make your game dirty very, very fast. So replace it and buy some premium rubber. Your game will play much, much better. Now the flipper strength comes here at 255. I took it down to 190 and I installed, this is just temporary, but as you can see here, it has got some bubbles there. I installed Mylar here because I don't want my brand new game to be worn out. The same when the ball drops down from here, Stern installed Mylar down there. I installed a second layer here and second layer Mylar here just to be sure because I love this game. It's not protected by playfield protector, so I installed Mylar on, on critical points. Why not? It costs peanuts. Other than that, over here, now this was loose. My premium version, this one was loose. On the limited edition, you can see, go back and look at my videos, this was loose. So make sure to tighten this one because every time you hit it with these strong flippers at 255 coil power setup, if this moves millimeters every time, it will break your playfield, man. So make sure that this is doit like a toiga. Okay, now when you hit that one, the rubber that Stern gives with these Stern machines, they are just rock hard. When you hit it directly, there, here, there, and there, the ball will fly back and go straight down the toilet so fast you can't imagine, man. It's so crazy. So what did I do? I installed premium red rubber up there. Now it has got this rubbery effect. I mean, it just changes the gameplay. It makes it a bit easier, and I need this pin. As you can see, you can see here. Now usually this one should be, this one stands pretty high up. so it's a powerhouse. Usually it should be, you can't see it, it's too dark, but it's higher angle than what Stern usually wants us to play. So I like it. I like the speed, but these small upgrades, they're great. The ball hitting metal in here, I installed just this little piece of rubber in here, so that's nice. Also, this one does not come with a rubber here. It has got a little notch so you can install the tiniest rubber in there. That's what I did. Really, really nice. I like it. Oh, this is beautiful. I've seen you can buy a mod where you can install a red light in there so his mouth will lit up red. That's cool. I have seen you can get a mod on the backside of this plastic ramp from the back plate so it can lit up. That's cool. What the? Oh. Okay, cool. Yeah. One more thing, or more than one. I told you guys on my last video that this one, on my Premium versus Pro video, this one just blinded me. It ruined my gameplay. What did I do? I bent it just a little back, so when I play now, look at this. It doesn't blind me. Before it lit up the top of this building, now it lights up the side, but also the dino head. So it's okay, it's a great easy mod that will give you better gameplay experience. The same did happen over here. As you can see here, we have got the red flasher dome, but here it had a white flasher dome, so everything did lit up white and it just blinded me. It was too close. So what did I do? I painted the dome red and I painted the LED red. Now it's red and I love it. As you can see, it's a bit lighter red over there. This is darker red from Stern, but really nice mod. Again, fully recommended by RETROCENGO. So, last thing I want to show you is the upgrade of the Raptor. So, the Pro version comes with this piece of plastic. I know it, most of you guys, you're laughing at this, you don't like this, but me, personally, to be honest, I like it. I like it when Stern puts these plastic pieces. Look at Deadpool Pro, where Deadpool hangs on his sleeves, and there's some different pieces of plastic. I don't mind them. You have the plastic here at the helipad, you have the plastic here, you have the plastic there. I like them. I have absolutely nothing against them. But we were out with my son. We saw this in a store and it cost 2.5, under 3 euros. Okay, let's say just 3 euros. So I thought, son, let's buy this and mod the game because the Pro version had a dino at the left side. So I just took this one and he said, Dad, that's not a Raptor. And I'm not a paleontologist and I don't care what it is. He said that it looks like a T-Rex. I'm not sure. So he said, pick up this one. I don't know if you can see the eyes red now, the camera can't pick it up. But he said that this one looked more like a Raptor and it came with this metal thingies on their legs. So we just took off this one with the 2 original screws. Of course, this is not going to be trashed. But we'll remove that and we installed this one instead. And the tail goes into the building here and it makes it pretty stable. I'm shaking the game and it's rock solid. I'm not the guy that uses tape and stuff like that. I want it to be solid. Everything shakes except the dino. Now my son says that this one looks more like a Raptor. I mean, it's a bit bigger than the Stern ones from the premium version. It's a bit bigger, but it's just mean looking. And my son says everything the ball comes here, the Raptor looks at the ball. I don't know, but it's a nice mod, guys. So yeah, it's easy, very easy to just install that one. So we're one step closer to have the perfect Pro version, because this without the gate that goes straight down the middle, this is so cool because I'm used to playing the premium version. And I explained everything. I don't want to explain everything again. Just go in and watch my Pro versus Premium video. But on this one, first time I hit with the flippers and it goes in and hits the target, it makes the same sound, same audio and same animation and same goes down sound. So in my mind, it just feels like, oh, the gate is on its way down. You can't really see the gate because of these rails, so I just feel like I have that gate in a virtual mode. I don't know, guys. It's so cool. I really like it, especially after I installed these red rubbers up there. Wow, what a game. So, next thing is I want some mirrors on the side. And I want to do something with the chopper, because the premium version's chopper with the chopper spinning sound, it's so cool. It's not worth paying $3,000 extra for, but it's just so cool. And some of you guys did write to me, there is some sort of mod where you can install and these one will spin. I don't know if it will make the sounds also. The sounds was just so cool, man. So yeah, guys, this is the Raptor mod and I just love it. My premium was bent because when you hit the target down here, it has some metal thingies. It will go up and push it on its stomach, so it will move in millimeter or something like that. But the middle on mine was bent, so I have never seen the effect. My T-Rex or my Raptor was just solid on my premium, so I don't know how much it moves, but yeah, we have it. So I have just a question to you guys. This one, the T-Rex or whatever, dude, whatever, I want to install it somewhere. Now first I was thinking about I will install it here, but it looks so dumb because it has this big head and a little dino down there, so it didn't, the aspect ratio was not good. So I wanted, you know, over to the right, maybe here, so you have this symmetry. I don't know. What would you do if you have installed more than this dino on your Pro? Come in and join the Facebook group Pinball with RETROCENGO. Why not? We have our own Facebook group now. Come on in there, join, and share some pictures. Give me some ideas. It could be great, man. Until next time, enjoy your game, because, man, if you don't own this, Stern is making these right now. Go ahead and order it, because it's one of the best games ever. It's so fast, it's so combo, it's so Keith Elwin, and it has got the best music and pinball. I'm geeking out, I know, but just go into Pinside and press on that top 100 list and see where Jurassic Park is rated at. I mean, this is a top tier machine. Have a great day out there, guys. RETROCENGO is gonna play. Bye.